In this video, we'll see how to connect Power BI desktop to Oracle BI analysis reports, which is called OTBI reports. And you have a Fusion application and that's called analysis reports in Oracle BI, Oracle Analytics Cloud, and Oracle Analytics Server. So let's see how to do it. First, this is my Oracle Analytics Cloud instance. I'm showing this demo in Oracle Analytics Cloud instance, but the steps are the same in all other applications as well. So first, I'll go to the BI connector application. I click on new data source. I give this data source a name that's easy for me to identify. Let's name it simply as Oracle Analysis. The data source type, analysis reports, and the Oracle Analytics application. If you have Fusion, you have to choose that. Or FDI, Fusion Data Intelligence, you have to choose this. Analytics Cloud, I'm having that, so I'm choosing this. And there are a couple of other options as well. Based on your need, we can also work out a custom SSO. If you have a custom SSO, we can do it. So right now, let me go to the Oracle account URL. I'm just copying this URL from here. I'm just copying this and I'm pasting it up to oraclecloud.com. If you have port number, you can also just include that colon and you can give that here like this, the port number. And here I'm going to enter my Oracle Analytics Cloud credentials. I click test and save. Yeah, the data source has been created successfully. Now I go to the tables. I click create table. I'm giving this table a name that's easy for me to identify. Let's say Northwind reports. The data source I'm just selecting from the dropdown, which is Oracle Analysis that I recently created. Next, manage reports. Okay, it is asking me to enter the folder or the report path of the analysis report that I want to visualize in Power BI. So I can just go back to the Oracle. As you can see, the analysis reports of my interest are within the shared folders, Northwind directory. Instead of typing it manually, I can just, go to any of these reports and then I click on more properties, and then I can copy this path directly from here. I paste it here. I click verify and add. And I can write this multiple folder paths like this. And if you want to access analysis reports from your private my folders, you can just check this box. So now I click on save. Yeah. Now the setup required on the BI connector application is completed. Let's go to Power BI desktop. I click get data. I type BI connector. I select BI connector. It's actually Power BI certified for connecting to Oracle BI data sources. I click connect. Here it is asking me to enter the name of the data source. So I just go back to the application and then copying this data source name, Oracle Analysis that we created. And then I'm pasting it here. You can choose between import or direct query based on your preference, but always import is recommended because you can also use the DAX formulas in import mode. Now I click OK. And here I'm going to enter my Oracle credentials again. I click connect. Now I'm expanding this database and I'm seeing all the analysis reports in the particular folder that I whitelisted, Shag, Northwind. So yeah, all the reports, analysis reports within these folders and also these analysis reports are showing up here. Let's say I'm interested in a particular report called European orders. So I'm just going to type the name here, European. Yeah, I'm seeing that here. I'm just selecting. And I'm selecting this table. I click on load. It is importing the data from the European orders table to this Power BI. So I'm just creating a sample visualization here. Let's take country, quantity, and if I want to convert it into a graph, it's all my preference. So yeah, this is how we connect Power BI desktop to your Oracle BI analysis reports. And you can also publish this and automate in the Power BI service, automate the report in the Power BI service via the gateway server. You just need to set up the same setup in your gateway server. Thank you.